Good afternoon to another person here. I am Dr. K. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security. Today we are discuss about in introduction to cross-channel and user experience and information architecture. First of all, what is a cross-channel of UX? It is designing the whole of experience that allow the user to move seamlessly between the channel. We have providing in web is one of the channel and mobile and physical while completing the task. That is mainly used in cross-channel UX. And the information architecture is nothing but it is called as structural design. It's a shared information for all the environment to support and findability and usability. That is a main usage of information of architecture. And next one is key principles of cross channel UX. It is called as consistent. It is maintain the visual and functional consistency of across channels, and seamless is nothing but is a smooth transition and between the channel without losing context, and available. It is a support user top task to all the channels, and context specific is like that adapt to user context and channel capabilities. And the cross channel is nothing but it is a multi-channel communications and cross-channel communications, then omni-channel communications. There are three communication between the customer. So there is one of the communication between proper channel we have providing to. There are three channels. The communication between to the user experience and UI UX. Next one is what is the information architecture principles. There, first of all, we discuss about what is the object. It is object is nothing but is living things with the life cycle and attributes. Easily we can condense to all the things we have using to the architecture, and choices is nothing but is pages of meaningful focused and choices, and the disclosure is slowly what user decide if they want more, and exemplars is nothing but it is show the user what they will access, and friendos is designed for user who don't enter at the home page, and multiple classification is provide the two ways to search content, and focus on the navigation. Keep navigation is aid of a consistent, and growth like structure is scalable for future content. The main step of information architecture plan like UI search and user profile, and consistent of content of inventory, and content of audit for review and update content, and apply card sorting, and content of classification is card sorting, and build user friendly hierarchies, navigation and labeling, and site mapping, and create a UI prototype is like that wireframing, and test and improve this usability testing and first click testing. They are using the main step of information architecture design. Next one is example of communicating to work is called as the monitoring and communicating commute of mail check and continuous work, and arrival of complete the task, and schedule the follow-up. The information architecture is supported for as consistent access and context appropriate, and seamless transition and multiple way to find. Next one is best practice of cross-channel design, and understand for your user the research how user move between the channel, what tasks they need to complete, and priorities of top task like ensure the user most important task are available on all the channels and designed for transition to make it easy for user to move between the channel without losing the context and adapted to context like tailor experience to the capabilities and limitation of each channel and maintain the consistency, keep branding of navigation and core functionality consistent across the channel and test across channel like validate of experience to all the channel ensure that it work as expected. And the most of the conclusion is like that all the channels is communicate between all the testing environment and communication between the customer reactions and customer journey is very important, and backstage actions and line of visibility and support the process for all the process easily we can communicate it with the designs from UI and UX. Thank you.